Hello. So a lot of the comments I've been seeing about the Naturehike camping cot is that it takes a lot of strength to get the legs in position. And while I agree that's true, it is definitely a lot easier if you follow the technique. It's not very well explained here, but I will go through it. So I've already put the poles in As you can see, they have a covering on one end. And then on the other end, you just have to bring this tab over the end of the pole so it locks in place. Now, the biggest struggle is, in fact, getting these into position. What I've discovered helps a lot is you start by clipping the bottom one in place and then getting a good grip somewhere around here on the pole. You just lean down with it using your body weight to compress it, and then you can slide the rail over the hook. So not a lot of fighting with it. If you were to try and clip it by hand, it definitely takes a lot of strength to get it into place. Place it on the ground, strong arm, lean into it, clip over the pole. I even use my thumb a little bit just to help guide it into place, but not difficult at all.